saw some criticism. People say the punches weren't really necessary. Maybe
They were super necessary.
why were they necessary?
What do you mean, why were they not necessary?
Because he was already knocked out at that point.
But the referee hadn't pulled me off. And my job is to hit somebody till the referee pulls me off. So to those people, I would say maybe don't watch him and may go back to soccer.
Going until the ref pulls me off, and you know, those are super necessary.